Hello guys and welcome to Code with Ovi. So in this video we are going to install Elixir. So I'll be installing Elixir on multiple devices. So I have a MacBook, so I can only show you how you can install Elixir on MacBook, but I will also give you an overview that how can you install it on other operating systems as well. So let's first install Elixir on macOS. We will just say brew install Elixir. That's all you have to do, and then just press enter. But right now I already have installed Elixir, so I'll not be installing Elixir again. But this is just the only command and you can easily go through, and your Elixir will be up and ready. If you are on Linux, then is the website elixirlang.org install HTML. I will also put this link in the description. So here you can see that you can also install this on Linux systems, Alpine, Arc, Debian, Fedora, and all you have to do is just like running this one command and your Elixir will be installed. For Windows users, you just have to download the installer. So you can just download this installer on desktop or anywhere you want, and that's all. So installing Elixir is very easy, but still, if you are facing any difficulties in installing Elixir, you can comment or you can write your questions in Discord and I'll personally answer them. So I hopefully you will not face any issue. So how you can confirm that your Elixir is installed? So you can just do one thing by typing Elixir version. Dash V stands for the version, and if you do that, it will show you okay if your Elixir is installed or not. So right now it's showing Erlang OTP 23 and your Elixir version is 1.10.4. Told you that Elixir runs on the top of Erlang virtual machine. So it comes automatically with the Elixir installation. So to all you need to do is just to confirm that your Elixir is installed, and that's all. So from the next video we can start our Elixir journey. If you are new to this channel, then kindly press the like button and also subscribe to this channel so that you are also informed about the upcoming videos, and it will also give me a sense of motivation and I will make other videos as well. Thank you so much for your time and see you in the next video.